There is a common saying, revision is the key to success. We keep learning all our subjects throughout the year, but remembering all the topics until our exam is a big task. As per the poll that I did yesterday on my channel, I am up with this video where I'll be discussing some of the amazing tips and tricks regarding revision. So without wasting much of our time, let's quickly get into the video. Now coming on to the tips and tricks, before that guys, always remember, it's all about revising a little but often. And also you guys make sure to watch this video till the end, as I have a bonus tip for you all. Tip number 1 is to read and repeat at a regular intervals. I mean, one should go for continuous reading and repeating of the concept on a perfect time interval. For say, in your first reading, you will just read and get an idea. In the second reading, you will focus on understanding the concept. And once you are done with this, in your third reading, finally you will be learning and memorizing the concept. All of this can be done on a 2 days gap. It means you are doing one concept 3 times a week. So you are basically revising all your concept without burdening yourself. Tip number 2 is writing and revising. By this I do not mean one should go for writing the entire chapter or the answers. One can always go for writing in the pointer or the bullet form, and also can prefer making flow charts and diagrams in order to revise your concept. This will help you to retain the concept very easily, and the concept will stick in your mind for longer period. So tip number 3 is all about making separate notes for your reference. By this I mean, suppose you have made different notes for different subjects, for say maths, social science, computer, English, etc., where you have written your answers in the best way you can remember. It is another way to revise all the topics in the last minute without going through the entire chapter, because you have made your notes and you know what is the crux of the chapter, so you can revise easily. Tip number 4 is marking in the book. This tip is for someone who thinks making notes is a time-consuming process. So one can always go for marking in between the books, and also you can place the sticky notes and write down the crux of each page on it. This is another way of revising and learning the chapter in an easy and a quick manner. Tip number 5 is all about making mind maps and relating the concept. By this I mean, you need to learn the concept and relate it to the real life world if possible. And if not, try and link all the related events together so that it is easier for you to learn, understand and revise at the same time. Tip number 6 is making acronyms or mnemonics. This method is similar to that of your childhood method that you have been following, in order to remember the number of days by counting it on the knuckles of your hand. Similarly, you can apply this method into different subjects. Now, one way I have shown you here on the screen, this is the way how you can remember and memorize the number of planets of our solar system. Similarly, you can apply it into different subjects. This is another a fun way of remembering the concept, and the revision become easy. Tip number 7 is to teach. It has been very well said by somebody, to teach is to learn twice. So what you can do here is, you can go for teaching somebody. It could be your friends, your younger siblings, in order to revise your concept. Coming on to the tip number 8 here is going for group study or discussing it with your friends. It is again a very common method followed by people, because discussion is something that helps you to remember and relate the concept for a longer period. By this method, you now not only know what's there in your mind, but also what's there in your friend's mind. This will help you to get your content wider and better, and help you in revising your concept in a very fun way. Tip number 9 is all about practicing the test and doing the exercise questions. By now, as you are done with the chapter, you have understood the concept. It's time to test what you have gained from the chapter. So doing the exercise given in your book is the best way to test your knowledge. This will help you to revise the important concept of the chapter, as the exercise question provide us the crux of the chapter. Therefore, practicing tests and doing the exercise questions are as important as that of learning the concept. So do not skip it and always go for practicing more of the questions. So guys, it's the last tip of the day and it's your bonus tip. Listen to it very carefully. In a week, you go as per your timetable. Study the entire week, but keep your Saturdays and Sundays basically for revision. Revise everything that you have studied in the entire week. Similarly, you will be revising 4 times in a month. As we have 4 weeks in a month, therefore you will be revising each your topic 4 times. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. I am Garima Singh signing off from this video now. Thank you for watching, and if you like my video then press in the thumbs up icon, and if you are new to my channel do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Economics Window by Garima Singh. Thank you for watching.